Hello student, welcome to Parthphonic classes. Today we will learn about U vowel words. The sound of U is A. So let's start. A, B, ab. R, A, B, rub. T, A, B, tub. K, A, B, cub. A, D, ad. B, A, D, bird. K, A, D, curd. D, A, D, dud. M, A, D, mud. A, G, ug. H, A, G, hug. B, A, G, bug. M, A, G, mug. R, A, G, rug. B, A, M, bum. G, A, M, gum. H, A, M, hum. M, A, M, mum. S, A, M, sum. A, N, un. B, A, N, bun. F, A, N, fun. G, A, N, gun. R, A, N, run. S, A, N, sun. A, T, at. B, A, T, but. K, A, T, cut. N, A, T, nut. H, A, T, hut. R, A, T, rut. Okay student, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.